Hi students, today we're going to begin lesson 3 and our theme is synonyms. A synonym, as we know in Spanish, is sinónimo. A synonym is a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word in the same language. Let's go back to the story and according to the context in which these words are used, match the best synonym for each. Example, huge, enormous. Huge, enormous. Number 1 says critter. 2, frigid. 3, pesky. 4, wet. And the possible alternatives are A, cold, B, stimulates, C, animal, and D, troublesome. We had already discussed this, and the possible answers are critter is animal, so number 1 is letter C. Number 2, frigid. Frigid means cold. Number 3, pesky. Pesky is troublesome, or letter D. And number 4, wet is stimulates. Now let's see this other exercise. Number 1, a 4. 2, griddle. 3, slick. 4, abandon. And the alternatives are A, leave, B, slippery, C, before, and D, pan. Number 1, a 4. Before. So the answer to number 1 is letter C, before. 2, griddle. Griddle. Griddle is the same thing as a pan. So number 2 is letter D. Number 3, slick. 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 Slick and slippery are the same. So the answer for number 3 is slippery. And number 4, abandon. 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 The answer for number 4 would be letter A, leave. In this next exercise, we have some words on the top which are the possible answers. They are imitated, jump, shiny, boast, errors, wide, tired, joyful, empty, and risky. Let's read the sentences so that you can identify the synonym that matches or that goes or is the best answer to be used with each sentence. Number 1, my favorite bracelet has a bright blank diamond on it. Which would be the correct synonym for bright? The answer is shiny. So number 1, my new bracelet has a shiny diamond on it. Number 2, John enjoys to brag about his good grades in school. What could be a possible synonym for the word brag? John enjoys to boast. Boast. Number 3, I don't like that blank space on the wall. I don't like that blank space on the wall. I don't like that empty space on the wall. I don't like that empty space on the wall. Number 4, the baby copied her mother's smirk. The baby copied or imitated her mother's smirk. The baby imitated her mother's smirk. 4, the room is broad and spacious. The room is broad and spacious. The room is wide. Wide and spacious. The room is wide and spacious. Number 6, don't make the same mistake I made. Don't make the same mistake I made. Don't make the same errors. Don't make the same errors. 7. Mom says she is exhausted after cleaning the house. Mom says she is exhausted after cleaning the house. The answer is tired. Mom says she's tired after cleaning the house. 7. Mom says she's tired after cleaning the house. Number 8. It's dangerous to swim in the river when it rains. It's dangerous to swim in the river when it rains. A synonym for dangerous is risky. Risky. It's risky, it's dangerous or risky to swim in the river when it rains. Number 9. I'm happy we're going to the movies. I am happy we are going to the movies. Another word for happy or a synonym of happy is joyful. I am joyful we are going to the movies. Number 9, I am joyful we are going to the movies. And finally, number 10, the frogs leap in the backyard. The frogs leap in the backyard. The frogs jump in the backyard. The frogs jump in the backyard. So there we have the answers for the synonym exercise.